Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a transparent surface representation of a protein complex using the MolStar molecular visualization tool. Transparent surfaces are great for showing the outer shape of a molecule while still revealing internal components or interacting subunits. We'll be working with the Influenza A polymerase dimer in complex with human ANP32B using PDB ID 8R1J. To begin, go to rcsb.org and enter 8R1J into the search bar. Once the entry loads, scroll to the Explore in 3D section and click Structure to open it in MolStar. To start customizing what's displayed, we'll use Selection Mode. At the top of the 3D canvas, click the mouse cursor icon. This activates Selection Mode and reveals a horizontal menu for selection operations. Next, in the drop-down on the left side of that menu, change the selection level from Residue to Chain. Click on Chain G in the 3D structure. A tooltip will confirm your selection. Now we want to select everything except Chain G. To do this, use the Set Operations tool. Click the fourth icon in the Selection Mode bar. It looks like two overlapping circles with the right one filled in. Click Manipulate Selection to expand the options. Then choose Inverse/Complement of Selection. Now everything except Chain G is selected. With your selection active, click the cube icon in the Selection Mode bar to create a new component. In the pop-up, choose Molecular Surface as the representation. Then click plus Create Component. Depending on the size of the selection, it may take a few moments for the surface to load. Now let's make the surface transparent so you can see through it to Chain G. In the Controls panel, find the newly created component for the custom selection. Click the three-dot icon next to the component name. Expand the Molecular Surface Representation section. Then, click the three-dot icon next to Type. Use the opacity slider to reduce opacity. Around 0.2 to 0.5 usually works well for transparency. To make the surface easier to see, let's add an outline. On the far right of the 3D canvas, click the slider icon to open Global Settings. Scroll to find the Outlines option and toggle it on. And that's it! You've now created a transparent surface representation of a protein complex in MolStar, with everything except Chain G shown as a surface. This view is great for showing internal details while still presenting the full molecular shape. Thanks for watching, and happy modeling!